Hello, Valencia, Spain. And this is beach Platja de Llevant, or in Spanish, Playa de las Arenas. And we have a wonderful afternoon here in Valencia. And yes, it is 30th of September. Currently 6 p.m. and 30 degrees Celsius in the air. And it's time for my first swim here in Valencia, as I'm visiting here over the weekend. So, oh, there's a music also in the background. That's interesting. They're showing some film, I guess. But yes, it is time to take a swim, the first swim here, and the water is amazing. And this is at the very beginning of the beach, and it's quite a long beach to be fair. And I see it is more crowded as we go towards the middle. And it is shallow. Look at that, look at that. So yeah, weekend trip in Valencia for me. And this is day one. I just arrived around 2 p.m. I did some sightseeing, and now I'm doing some beaching, of course. And I'll be staying here for 3 days, and I will be showing you some nice beaches here in Valencia. Because Valencia is the third largest city in Spain, with a population of around 800,000. And with the metropolitan area around the city, it's 1.6 million actually. So after Madrid and Barcelona, it is the third largest city. And it's also on the Mediterranean Sea, to be more exact, on the Balearic Sea. And let's not wait any longer and enjoy the beach with the beats of the music in the background. Oh, that was super nice. Super nice and refreshing. I didn't took my thermometer, so I can't say how warm it's in the water, but it's quite nice. It's not as warm as in Cyprus, definitely not, but it's quite decent. And we're gonna have a most beautiful sunset over here in about 2 hours, approximately. As I will be exploring along the coast here in Valencia, as you can see. So yes, this is Playa de las Arenas, as it is called in Spanish, or in Catalan, Platja de Llevant. I'm not sure if I pronounced that correctly. But yes, cool. Valencia is a nice city to explore, and I was lucky enough to get a cheap direct flight from Stockholm this time of the year. Oh, my eyes are burning from the salt. Let's dive in once again. Maybe I should not open my eyes. So yes, quite nice, quite interesting, and yeah, it is a warm weekend here in Valencia. It was 33 degrees when I arrived, so quite the shock, because when I lift off in Sweden it was 13 degrees only, so 20 degrees Celsius difference. Alright, I will enjoy here a bit more and maybe walk along the coast later to show you another part and another beach. But thanks a lot for watching from this adventure from Valencia, my first beach visit here during my weekend trip, and I'm gonna definitely show you some more in the next 2 days. So take care and greetings from Valencia, and watch out for more beach adventures on my channel. Beach Adventures with Chris!